Hello everybody. Today we are helping baby birds to make sure they are healthy and strong. Let's go to the bird city over there. Maybe there's some hurt baby birds. Let's go. Alright, we entered the bird city. Now we just have to go left, and here are the birds. Let's see. He doesn't have a baby. These two breeding pair doesn't have a baby yet, and definitely he doesn't have because he is a boy, and he doesn't have to. He doesn't have to. Why is everybody he? And he also doesn't have. Let's see who is in this area. Oh, duck. Good night, duck. Beside, you'll be hurt by the car. Oh yeah. And you too, be in your home. You should be in your home. And look what I am doing, the helpful thing. Okay. Be more inside so that there we go. We'll reach wait, there's no space here. We reached, but didn't hurt the other birds. Look at the city scenery. Look, there's the duck over there. I will zoom in. There. That's his house. Alright. And here are the breeding pair. And here are the penguin family. Oh! Can you see, guys? The mother penguin has raised her hand. Alright, let's go and park the car and see what happened. Okay, guys. So, there's just a lot of birds here. I think there's 13 birds. Yeah, I saw when we were both coming, I saw that there was a board that was saying there are 13 birds in the bird city. That's a lot, guys, right? Alright. Now, that looks like a great spot. But we have to not hit the birds. It will be challenging. Sorry, yellow parrot. It's okay. I'll be side for you. Alright. So we reached. Just have to turn the car and we reached. Alright. Now, there is the penguin family way over there. Her baby is not looking after today. Is not looking energetic today. Don't worry, Mother Penguin. I will take care of your baby. Alright. Let's take care of this baby penguin. Let's put him in the sick room of the ambulance car, whatever. Helping bird car. I will name the helping bird car. Oh, why is it not there? Gently put the baby in. And close it gently. And put him a little more inside. And let's go, guys. Okay, peacock, beside. Oh no, your tail gets stuck. Go there. Yeah. Go with your home now. Let's go to our hospital. My mother penguin. Take care of my baby. Okay, we will. Alright. Let's head to the birds hospital. We are in the highway road right now. And we reach to our hospital. Let's park our car. Oh, there looks like a great spot. It's a tight squeeze. Oh. Wait, let me see if the baby penguin is alright. Are you alright, little baby? Yeah, you're alright. Alright. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, yeah, I was talking about here. Now, let's go and pull out baby penguin. There you are. Let's put him here. Ooh, I see what the problem is. Teet teet. Alright, I locked the car. Okay, let's take him to our bed. The sick patients, the sick patient birds, baby birds, bed. The comfortable. Oh, we forgot about the pillow for him to be supported. Let's go. There. Let's see his heartbeat. Alright, it is fine. Now let's check in his ears. Oh, that tickles. And what about the other ear? That tickles. These ears are very small because birds have very small ears. Very small that we can't see them. Alright. Oh my god. The baby penguin has a big what do we call it? A big hurt on his leg. And oh no, blood is coming now. Quickly, we have to put the bandage. Where's the bandage? Where's the bandage? Oh my god. Wait for a second, guys. There we go. That's perfect. Let's see his back. He's 2 years old and his name is Pingu, you know. Alright. Oh no, he got hurt here too. Oh no, I have a bad news, guys. He has a broken bone on his fin. Or we could call it flippers. Let me just bandage that up. There we go. Alright. Time to go, little baby penguin. We will see you later. He's just 2 years old. That's so small. Alright, wear the shoes. Put him inside the car. And let's head to the bird city. Alright. Here's where the sick patient sits. And don't worry guys, there's more medical bird videos coming in the episode 2 and episode 3, and there is episodes of taking care of baby birds. And you know how much episodes there are? 1,000. There are 1,000 episodes. Oh, there's the board that says that there are 13 birds in the bird village, in the bird city, and we already entered. That's their trash can. Alright. Let's see the birds. We can also take care of grown-up birds, you know. But this is baby hospital. Okay, the managers are talking, the hospital managers. They are still here, making sure the birds are not injured. Alright. Let's. There are all the birds ending till there. Alright. Park the car just right where we parked earlier. Remember? We parked it here only. Alright. Okay. Beep beep. No, I locked it with the baby penguin inside. Beep beep. Alright. Now, there's the baby penguin. And boom. Let's take the little cute baby penguin to his mother. And there's the mother. Oh, he has some baby toys like this dinosaur. Rah, 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 rah. And what about this one? And he also has a toy tree. Oh, that's cute. Alright, you baby penguin. Go to your mother. We will just have a tour to the bird city. Alright. There. Thank you for helping me and my bird and my baby penguin. It's okay. Let's handshake. Okay. Okay. See you later. Okay. Let's hop on our medic car. Beep beep. Look at the pink parrot, green parrot, and the owl. Hi guys. Hi. And what about? Let's stand on top of the tower and see the whole scene. Whoa. Wait a second, I have to put my slippers here so that. And I will put bird toys here. Do not touch. Don't worry, he's just a friend. Alright, now let's park the car here. Beep beep. And I locked it. Of course. And whoa! Guys, look how much birds there are. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ordered, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, the board was correct. There are 13 birds in the bird city. Alright. Okay guys, if you want to see the bird city scenery, so just pause the video and see. Alright, let's go to our medic center and end this video. Bye every bird. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Okay, bye everybody. Bye. Oh, one was left. Alright guys, looks like it was a very peaceful day today, helping baby birds and helping out their parents. Alright. I love driving in my car. Alright guys, beep beep. Now time to end the video. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe button and hit the bell icon. We will see you in the episode 2, helping baby birds. Alright guys, just open that video and you will see there we will help more baby birds and more parent birds. Alright guys, Bye guys. Time to end the video. Oh, I'm going to have dinner. Dinner is paneer paratha. Alright. Bye.